Hello, my sweethearts. Here is the teacher Nati, and today we have our phonics class. So you have to remember always the short and long vowel sound, okay? The short vowel sound is always smiling, and the long vowel sound is always hungry, and the another vowel is scared, so she's staying silent. And now today we have our phonics class, and we are going to start to introduce a new special sound. So look at here, we have our phonics class and we're going to introduce a new special sound. This special sound, so pay attention, this special sound is A. A and Y, they are together, okay? They are new friends and they sound like A and Y, A, Y, A. As in pray. A as in pray. A as in play. And A as in day. So look at here. We have to circle our special sound always that we say it. Okay? Our new special sound is A. What are you going to do? You are going to circle the new special sound. Van a encerrar en un círculo the new special sound. So, we're going to repeat one more time the new special sound. A, as in pray. A, as in play. A, as in day. So, very good. Nice job. You're very smart. And now, I'm going to help you with your homework. So we're going to see your homework. So this is the third part. So draw a line from each sentence to the picture it tells about. Color the picture. Okay. Para leer mis corazones, the first step is mark the vowels, marcar las vocales, por favor, para que ustedes puedan saber si son sonidos cortos o largos, if they are short or long vowel sounds. So we are going to mark the vowels and circle the special sounds that are on the sentence, okay? So we're going to mark and circle the special sounds. So now I'm going to read the first one. You're going to see Rick will nap. What is nap? Take a sleep. Take a nap. You know, take a nap, kids. So, Rick will take a nap. You know it. Very good. Nice job. Meg can hit with the bat. Hit with the bat. So, Meg can hit. Very good. Which girl is with a bat? You have to see. Megan can hit. Very good. Bob has a top. Bob has a top. This one, you know what is a top? You know? Okay, very good. Now, dad. Where is a dad? Busquen dónde está un papá. Where is a dad? Dad cat. You know what is cat. Ustedes ya saben esta palabra. Dad cat the ham. And this word, you know it too. Ustedes también saben esta palabra. Dad cat the ham. Okay, you have to match the sentence with the correct picture, and then please, sweethearts, color the pictures very nice, very well. Yo sé que ustedes saben colorear perfecto y hermoso, pero esta vez lo van a hacer más hermoso, ¿ok? And then we finish with our work and you are free. So, ya terminamos el trabajo y están libres y pueden descansar. And this is all of your homework. Don't forget, please, to review our new special sound, A, as in pray, as in play, as in day. Nos vemos en la clase Zoom, mis corazones, para explicarles más sobre este sonido, ¿ok? I love you a lot. Have a nice day. Bye.